Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox this new Ergobaby Omni 360 baby carrier. I'm really excited to have this one because I think it's really it's very good. Yeah, let's unbox it. We bought this from Ergobaby online store. And it's just arrived yesterday. It's here. Ergobaby Omni 360 in a pearl gray color. Alright, so let's unbox it. Yay, I'm so excited. This one. It's like this inside the box. So here inside the box is carrier and some instruction manual. How to use it. Everything is here, all the instructions. How to use it. I'm not sure how to use it yet, but we'll see how to put it together. Alright, let's open it. Let's see, it's like this. Oh my god. Look at that, how nice it is. The color is really nice. It's perfect. So it's like this one. It has here this where you can adjust here and then put there. Depends how big is your baby. Like you can open it like this. And you can see there is this little pouch strap that you can remove. You can put whatever you need, like a wallet or cell phone. And here is how it is. This is with this kind of, materials. Airflow. It's good for when it's hot weather. Yeah. It has pocket here for when you want to cover your baby when the baby is sleeping. And it's nice because it's included in this carrier. Just like this. Ergobaby. So it's just like, here is like the belt, and here is, you can adjust. And here you can adjust. I still have to check which one for Rosie, because Rosie is now 4 months old, so probably she will be here second. We have to try it. It says here actually. Can you see it? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, there is this big there to close and adjust everything. Just like this. It looks like this. How nice it is. And here in the box it says ways that you can wear the baby. Front facing you front facing out, hip, side, back, and crisscross option for snugger fit. It's nice. It's really nice. Like here is more photos in the back. How do you use it? Some and baby's weight. So yeah, let's try it on. Let's put this back. I'm not sure how to. Let's see. So it's like, yeah, put it here. And this buckle up here. Adjust it, and then I don't know, it looks like it's quite big for me. I don't know, it's like this. Put there the baby like that, just like this a little. You can adjust more. This is nice because this strip is quite long, so you can adjust. If someone who is wearing it is quite big, so there is no problem, it fits perfectly, you can adjust it. So here like this, put the baby there like that. And I don't know, it looks like I'm so small for this one. You know, but here you can adjust here on the side like this to make it tight, and here like this. Baby's there. Wow, it's really nice. And the back, see the back like that. Why do I feel like I'm so small? I don't know, but like this, see at the back, see the back here. So it's just, if you want to adjust it like this, just adjust from here, side. And here you can adjust, and there to put the baby. Nice, isn't it nice? I can't wait to try this with baby Rosie. Let's see how can we remove it. I think you can just do like this. Just here a little on the side, and like this. Like this. Aww, how nice it is. How nice it is. Very, very durable. And just here. But yeah, it's like this. Front and back. And here in the front. Just like this. It's nice. So it has also here. Like this. Kind of. So it's